The first things to do in the morning is wash. I'm using this kind of soap for my pimples because I have plenty of pimples here. I don't know why. Tapos, naglalagay lang ako ng ano. Dami kong pimples, oh. Wala yung filter. Using my Samsung. Dami kong pimples. Since nagkakaroon ako ng pimples. Yan lang ang ginagamit ko na serum. And then, I'm using always sunscreen. Why I always using sunscreen is too hot here. So even nasa bahay lang ako, gagamit ako ng sunscreen. Wala naman akong gaano ginagamit. Yan lang sabon. Kasi nga, bili ko yan online. Sabi kasi nila, patanggal daw ng ng pimples. Yan. Lately, ang dami kong pimples kasi nga, pag marami kang stress, marami ka ring pimples. Ayan. Stress ako. Lately, but ngayon hindi na. Ignore ko na lang ng stress. Hindi na ako magpapikto sa stress. Mamatay kasi ako tayo ng maaga. Tapos kasi nga, Bob don't like me to do a lot of makeup. But sometimes, I need to do it. Yeah, just only like this. Yan. Kahit lang nandito ako sa bahay, at least, hindi tayo losyang. Kasi sasabihin naman losyang tayo. Hindi. Kahit ganyan lang yan, mga ganyan. Ayan. Tapos, kasi nga wala naman akong kilay, as you can see guys, I don't have eyebrow. Yeah? Yeah, that's my... I just follow from my father. My father don't have an eyebrow. So I put a little bit. I don't know how to make it, but I just like a little bit to make a little bit of black or brown. That's how I do it. Look at that. So I have a little bit. And I don't know how to use this, I'm just doing it just to make just to make a little bit of kunwari ba? Kunwari yan. Yan. Ayan. So, kita nyo? Yan lang nilalagay ko. Kahit lumalabas kami ng lumalabas kami. Tapos, konting lipstick lang. Meron akong lipstick na I love lipstick from Avon. Okay? Promoting the Avon. It's been a long time that I'm using Avon. And dito lang ako sa bahay. And then, kasi nga yung hair ko masyadong dry. I have a lot of falling hair. I have a lot of falling hair. So now, yan. So, sino diyang maraming, mahaba ang buhok. Tapos, may ginagamit sa hindi na falling hair. Just comment below, so para magaya ko din. Because it's been a long time that I looking for the right shampoo or anything that you can put in your hair. So I'm looking for that. Yan. Hindi na ako nagko-color ng hair, hindi na ako nagbi-bleach kasi nga sabi nila nagkakaroon nasisira daw ang hair. Dating sira na yung buhok ko eh. Talagang ganito na ito eh, masyadong dry. And then okay. So last time I went to the cosmetic shop very near here, and then they gave me like this. Okay, so this is the one that I'm using for my hair, but I think it's worked a lot. Yeah, I think I almost using this one for more than almost 2 months, so I'm always using that one. Yeah, that's my hair. Yeah. Anyway guys, I'm using hair shampoo. I'm not all the time, I'm not everyday using shampoo. That's my shampoo is Head and Shoulder. It's been a long time because I don't have dandruff for that. My dandruff is not coming when I'm using that. So very rare. Okay, so I'm using the what do you call it, conditioner. Most of the time, maybe once or twice a week, I'm using shampoo. Normally every day I'm using, if every day I go shower, so every day using the conditioner. Okay, then after that I just doing this one. Yeah. To make a little bit of my hair, not to be dry. Yeah. Yan, kapag hindi ako tinatamad. Yan, kapag hindi ako tinatamad, yan ang ginagawa ko sa hair ko. Ganyan ang ginagawa ko sa morning. Yan. Kapag hindi tinatamad, sometimes I feel lazy to do it this way. Cleaning your face while you are in the house. Putting some afro, putting like this. So it's like that. I have plenty of falling hair. Oh, really? Not only that, I still have plenty. Yeah. So now, I'm only using this hair. You know how many years I've been using this one? Since 2013. Since 2013, I'm still using this one. 2013 when I was in Tehran. I have this 2013 or 2012, something like that. It's been a long time, yeah, but still good. Still good. You don't have, hindi pa siya sira, wala pa siyang, maganda siya. Talagang maganda talaga. I said to you, this one is a really good, antique na, kumbaga. Ayan. 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 That's my routine every day. Okay, guys. That's all for today's video. Share your things for your hair. I need something to put, not to falling my hair. Okay, thank you.